nakita pa na marami akong pinggan. Doon na ako sa ano eh.
Sa bacon ka na, bacon.
Sa bacon na tayo. Lima. Eh, ba't ang lita na lagyan nila ng bacon?
Ba't ang konti ng bacon nyo?
Dami ako.
Wow, si Mayora may bacon.
Damihan. Yung ano, itlog.
Buong biyahe mo. Ano ba yun? Cappuccino na lang ulit tayo for today. Hello. This one. One. This two. Thank you. Kinimi! Hello! Ako ng mga okay. Para malaglag na sa bata.
Excuse me.
Ano to? Ouch.
Can I have two Danish? Ano ba yun yung katrabaho mo sa katrabaho? Ito, batan kita rin. Thank you.
Breakfast. Ay, ano ba yun? Wala nang aesthetic talaga.
Sa trek na po.
Ano ba ito? Pagbubukas na ng batter, naka... Talibog. Turistang-turista si Mima Son. Baka ito din yung ano. Ay, tickets. Ticketing. Ang init, B.
Mainit maganuhan dito. Maguguhan at maganuhan.
Sila mother, father. Ay, binibigay lang ata. Uy, may ano,
Ay, may ka-wifi.
wifi sila may masor. Mother! Taiwan! Video. Yay!
Akin na parang
Di video sila eh. Nag-video sila. Oh. Taiwan! Mother!
Taipei.
Mother, nakapasok ka na ulit sa Taiwan.
Mga parentas.
Diba?
Parentas. Lakad na kayo.
Walking naman eh.
Parentas in Taiwan.
Oh.
Taiwan,
Diba?
Tagal ng panahon.
Sa tagal-tagal lang pa na.
ng Taiwan ha, di ba?
Oo nga,
Nainggit ka dun sa mga kasama mo dati. Nandito na nga sila.
Ay, oo nga, di ba si Ma'am Flor? Mother, di ba nag-Taiwan siya?
Nagpunta ng Taiwan sa ano?
Nakapay sila man. Taiwan!
I-collab mo naman si Yuyu.
Hindi.
Taiwan!
Hello, collab with the Yuyu.
Punta tayo na. Ay, kasama natin ang parental. Naghihikab-hikab ba si Father? Nandito tayo sa Taipei. Mother, bilis. Pupunta kaming Taipei 101. Ay, tama. Taipei 101.
Tatawid tayo sa kabila.
Mainit din, pero parang hindi ganun kainit katulad kahapon sa Japan. No?
Parang Pinas na temperature.
Hindi pa masyadong tirik yung araw. Parang Ayala po. Yung merong ano dun.
Parang ayalan lang. Parang ayalan. Welcome.
Naalala mo yung may video, ay picture ako dyan, tsaka video yung nagkakape ako.
Oh.
Tapos yung ikaw, nasa Vietnam ka.
Oo.
Yan yun, may ganyan yun. Tapos mag-video tayo ng dalawa na tayo nandito.
The last time we were here was how many years ago?
2019 kayo. 2019. Nung magkasama tayo.
6 years ago.
Ako last year.
Ito si Ken, last year lang yan.
Last year.
Galing na.
Sandy T Diary.
So please
subscribe.
Galing.
Si Father at Mother.
Ang galing ko palitan ko ng mukha ko.
Balo ka.
Hindi na natin ma-edit yung katawan. Yung mukha ko ha.
Balo ko. Saan nga ba? Paano nga ba yun? Oo, dito ba na?
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. As somewhere far beyond, keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn, feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you. And you're not feeling blue. I feel the shade when it's hot up. Feeling low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slipped
May basic feel ka ba dito?
I slipped
Yun talaga nila yung boom. Eh, di syempre parang
I slipped God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
Pusa-pusa.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your.
Pupunta tayo sa kainan. Sa kainan. Sila mother, walking.
Paano matitigman nyo na yan? Ramen. Father.
Kayo nang mag-lista, hindi namin alam kung i-lista mo.
Ay, tuturuan kita pare kasi kung ano, kumbaga, kung ano yung gusto mo sa pagkain mo. Kung ano sa pagkain mo.
makita.
Hindi makita. Ayan, hindi daw niya makita. O sige, sip, ikaw muna, father. Ayan, father, dun sa... Meron naman, yung spicy level na lang siguro yung piliin nyo, father. Ay, ito, father. Ayan yung dashi. Kung
Alin?
ang recommended yung may ganun.
Ito.
Usually, ganyan naman yung...
Ito na lang.
Sige, father.
Sige.
Bibilugan mo siya. Yan. I-trace ba?
Ito, richness. Ano,
Richness ng broth.
Medium din. Ano yung ano yun na yan?
Oh, green.
Oh.
Cashew.
Char siu. Syempre with.
Bibilugan.
Original red sauce. O yung mild ko lang din.
Yan.
Mild ka na lang, father.
Mild recommended na lang para
May mga recommended na lang. Ito, oatmeal.
Syempre sa with.
with original spicy red sauce. Ito yung
Ano hindi nakikita?
Hindi kayo nagkakakitaan. Isa-isa kayo. Ay, sorry. Daddy. Doy. Si Daddy.
Too busy, I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you.
Nasa Itcharang kayo, mother. Ano yung kainan mo? Individual. Para may exam. Andyan na pala yung chopsticks eh. Ay,
I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life where we play, so you can hold your head down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life where we play. Don't need to make plans. It's all in your hands. I'm too busy. I'm spending all my time with you, driving through the states. Don't know why.
ang bango. Ang bango, no? Sobrang bango. Na-serve na yung kila mother. Diyan na ata sila. Hello. Arigato. Tadakimasu. Tikman mo na natin. Sarap. Ano, Mother? Kamusta? Sabi ko, kulang na lang itlog dito. Minsan may itlog na sa Japan, may itlog na.
Don't know what awaits. It don't matter. I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time.
Tayo na daw yung bahala sa buhay natin, Mother. Ano masasabi mo? Si Yurmi pa. Ay,
Nasa siya.
toilet pa, Mother. Pag Mother, pag sinabi ni Ate Sarah, sila Mother na yung pumunta sa barko, makakapunta kayo?
Ay, hindi.
Tapos may ganito kayo, Mother. Sa tingin mo?
Kung kami, siyempre kung kami lang, talagang
Wala kang magagawa,
wala namang
kailangan.
choice kundi, madali lang naman ito. Pupuntahan namin yung Taipei, tapos doon din yung seat. Yun din ang sasakyan, 1,800 na sasakyan.
Tanan! Init. Ang init sa Pilipinas. Hindi yung... Ay, sa Pilipinas. Ang init ng Hindi pala Pilipinas. Ang init sa Taiwan. Lapot-lapot. Ay, hindi nakapayo. Grabe protection naman yan.
Parang nasa beach talaga.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Chinese naman yung salita dito.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I wasn't real wonder, then I could save me from turning around, lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wishing I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
If you wanna be a wonder, baby, come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make